In this video, I am going to set up the Pi coding agent with the now router, and I'm going to use all the models that are set up in the now router inside of the Pi coding agent. So the first step is to install the Pi coding agent. You can head over to the pi.tab website, and on the first you will see all of these commands. So install the Pi coding agent with your preferred environment. So I have PNPM installed, so I'm going to copy this command and then open your terminal and paste this command. So it will going to install this. If now it is installing and downloading all the packages. So the other thing is the non router. So go to the nonrouter.com, and on the get started you will see this command npm install /g nonrouter. So you can run this command to install the non router. So I have already installed the non router, so I'm going to skip this process. It is downloading the Pi coding agent. It is downloading. The other thing is we need the package to connect the non router with the Pi coding agent. So go to the packages, and in the packages find the search option. This is the filter packages. So in this type Pi 9 router, just click enter, or you will see this extension Pi 9 router ext. Just click on the copy command. Now it has downloaded and updated the Pi coding agent. Now run this command. Now it will install the Pi 9 router extension. Now it is installed. Now run the 9 router. Just type the 9 router and click hit enter. Now it will going to run the 9 router in the localhost. Now it is running in this port, so I'm going to copy this, or just can open it directly. So the default password when you first login is 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So you can put this. I have changed the password, so I'm going to put mine. So now go to the provider. You can see I have lots of provider already set up. You can see. So now the one thing that we have to do is open the Pi coding agent. Now just open the another terminal. Just type pi. Now it will open the Pi. I'm going to clear all this. Now it is saying that the non router is discovering and running in the background. So now type /9 router and then config. Go to the config, and now into the connection. No, it first is asking for the URL. That's why it gave me the error. So the first thing is the URL. So the URL is wrong because this is not the port that it is running on. We have to copy this port. Just copy it, then just paste it here, and the AVI key is router. Just put here. Now again type the 9 router and status. Just wait for some time. Now it is saying that the 9 router connection is updated and it is showing the 29 models. And you can also toggle the reasoning on and off for the entire models, and just click on the done. Now to select the models, just type /models. As you can see, you will see all the combos and all the models listed here. /models, and you can see it has all the models that we have configured inside of the 9 router. So I'm going to try with one model, the Gemini 3.6 flash. So I'm going to send the hi. Also, if you want to set up all the Gemini latest models with the 9 router fully free without paying anything, so like the video and comment under my link video. So in the next video I will try to make a video on how you can set up all the Google model inside of the 9 router.